Hello and welcome to CatapultCMS. In today's training video, we'll be going over the School Manager and how to update your global links. The School Manager allows you to quickly update links that appear across your entire site. This includes your top bar links, your high traffic icons, and your footer resources. Basically, anything that shows up on every single page of the website. There are two ways that you can edit the School Manager links. The first is from the tab right within the dashboard of your CMS. Once you navigate there, you'll select the school that you wish to edit by hitting Edit School. Here is where you can edit your school information, school name, address, where their phone number is, if they update their URL. You can add a description, mission, vision, and hours as well to this element. On the next tab over, we have your resources and icons. So again, these are the top bar links, the high traffic icons, and the footer resources. Top bar links, high traffic icons, and footer resources is the school documents. You can see that you're able to not only edit the name and the link of those links, you're also able to update the icon itself, choose through a different repository of icons. You can even choose the different weights of the icons, as well as the color. We do provide your primary, secondary, and tertiary colors for options, but if you struggle with picking the correct color, please feel free to reach out to our support team and we can definitely help you. Once you've made your edits, you can scroll down all the way to hit Save School. Finally, the tab up here is social media. So if you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you'll be able to add those links directly in here. If you do not have any social media, don't worry. These links or these icons would automatically be hidden on your homepage. Okay. The second place to edit your School Manager links is right within the editor itself. So now when you are editing your footer, you can click directly on those footer resources and it's going to bring up that same repository. So you're again able to edit the name, the title, the link, the icon weight. You could even upload your own custom icons if you have them. Again, be sure to save on your way out. Using your School Manager makes it easy to keep our navigation and key links accurate and up to date. So thank you for joining me today as we walked through the School Manager program. Have a great rest of your day.